Good day everyone, this is Patrick from EasyFX Code Trading System, and this is Saturday the 26th of September 2020, and this is the weekly analysis for the Euro, Cable and the Aussie dollar for the 5th week of September. And if we look across the three majors here, all of them have broke out and made significant retracement lower as the US dollar index has tried to make a recovery and rebounded. Let's take a look at the US dollar index first. This is the daily chart for the DXY, and it had been attempting to find support for a while, and after making a higher low and finding support at this 50% fib retracement of this swing move up, and started straight away on the Monday right from the beginning of the week to break above the 55 EMA and close to hitting the 162 fib extension. The 55 EMA was in alignment confluence with a swing high, previous swing high here, but it managed to break through that on the close of Tuesday. So this could also possibly be an inverse head and shoulders complex formation and break out higher. It could try to continue higher for perhaps another week. We'll see if the 162 fib extension is going to put a temporary pause to that, and then make it retest first, retest the breakout before continuing higher, and so it will stay within the bullish channel. Alright, let's go back to the other three majors, and with the let's take a look at the euro. And right from the Monday, it broke out below the lower channel, and pause around the just above 116. Didn't quite reach 116, but let's draw a new fib to see if there's a bearish continuation level. And yes, 162 fib extension is at 115.93, so that could be a possible target. If it does weaken further, there's a confluence at the 200 fib near the 115 key support level here. So this could be another potential target in the medium term. So initially there should be support in this range. So 116 and then followed by 115 if it does drop down lower. Meanwhile, it could just try to turn back up to retest the breakout at the 117 level near the 55 EMA. So as I already mentioned last week and the week before, there was a potential of a breakdown, but it started breaking out early in the week from this head and shoulder pattern. In fact, it's probably a complex head and shoulders. watch out for its potential next move. If it does go down lower, that could be the target. So it depends how the US dollar index recovers. No key news for the Eurozone this coming week, apart from further Brexit talks with the UK, which is coming to a very sensitive time now towards the October month. Apart from that, Friday there's exposure with the US non-farm payroll report. Right, let's also take a look at the cable. Cable as well is also exposed to the US non-farm payroll report Friday, but there are no major news for the UK, and UK has been battered by the potential second wave of infections for the COVID-19, and then also with lack of progress with the EU on Brexit talks. But there could be some potential breakthrough. Seems to be slightly more positive recently, so that's why there's some support at this level, just near the 127 level. And let's take a look at let's extend this channel to coincide with these swing lows now. Right, this will be a wider range, and we'll see if there's any potential of breaking back up higher above 128 and above the daily 200 EMA. So if there's good news in the trade talks, and there's definitely potential of a bounce back up. All right, let's move on to the Aussie dollar. And likewise, Aussie dollar has also continued to retrace lower, breaking below the lower channel trend line, below the 0.72 support. So now it's resistance, and then the 100 pip swing high, and just sitting above the 0.700 round figure. So this will be a key support for next week, and we'll see if there's any potential weakness further to target the 200 EMA near the 0.6916 level. So the euro and the Aussie has been deteriorating rapidly, and due to recovery on the US dollar. So we'll see if this weakness continues for another week, coming up to a new month at the end of the month. So Australian dollar is also exposed to the non-farm payroll report on Friday. There's no other major news. for the other major pairs for next week. Alright, so meanwhile, stay safe and have a good trading week, and cheers for now.